Wall Street little changed in early New York trading. Dollar flat against rivals. Poll lifts kiwi before vote. Oil prices pair gains after inventory data updates with early U.S. market activity changes. Dateline, previous London by Caroline Vladkiewicz. New York, September 20. Reuters. U.S. stocks and the dollar were steady on Wednesday with investors cautious ahead of a U.S. Federal Reserve statement that may give clues on whether the central bank will raise interest rates for a third time this year. MSCI's World Index, which tracks stocks in 46 countries, was up 0.1% and hit another record, while U.S. Treasuries prices gained slightly. With the Fed due to release its latest policy statement at 2 p.m. Eastern Time 1800 GMT, caution prevailed. The U.S. Central Bank is widely expected to announce that it will begin paring its bond holdings, and many analysts and investors expect the reductions may begin in October. While the Fed is expected to hold rates steady, investors are keen to see the Fed's economic projections and any other signals on whether a rate increase in December is likely. If they are slightly more dovish in their language, I think you could see a reversal in the banks, but I don't see a lot of activity, said Aaron Clark, portfolio manager at GWK Investment Management. The SP Financial Index was up 0.2% on Wednesday, after rising 0.8% in the previous session. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 9.85 points, or 0.04%, to 22,380.65. The SP 500 lost 0.67 points, or 0.03%, to 2,505.98, and the Nasdaq Composite dropped 21.10 points, or 0.33%, to 6,440.23. The Pan-European FTSE First 300 index lost 0.18%. Markets are pricing in a 58% probability of the Fed raising rates in December, according to the CME Group's FedWatch tool. The European Central Bank is widely expected to say next month that it will begin scaling back its asset purchase stimulus program from January, even though a stronger euro, which dampens inflation, has complicated the outlook. The dollar index fell 0.01%, with the euro unchanged at $1.1992. The New Zealand dollar hit its strongest in more than a month at $0.7374 after a poll showed the ruling National Party regaining a wide lead over the opposition before Saturday's election. In the bond market, benchmark 10-year notes were last up in 332 price to yield 2.232%, from 2.243% on Tuesday. Oil prices were higher, but paired gains after data showed a bigger than expected build in U.S. crude inventories. U.S. crude rose 1.78% to $50.36 per barrel, and Brent was last at $55.85, up 1.73% on the day. For Reuters Live Markets blog on European and UK stock market, CREEUTERESREEALTIMEVERBOPENURL.apps.cp.extranet.fmson Reuters.biz Live Markets. Additional reporting by Karen Brettel in New York, Shruti Shankar in Bengaluru, Nigel Stevenson in London and Shinichi Sashiro in Tokyo. Editing by Catherine Evans and Nick Zieminski. Or Standards Thomson Reuters Trust Principles.